Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm just gonna get straight to it. You guys know what time it is. Let's go. All right, so here we have the products that you have seen in the intro, and I'm gonna do the unboxing for each. All right, so I'm gonna start with the USB 30-watt USB charger. All right, I'm gonna start with this first, and literally what we do is just peel. All right, so this is a power brick with USB-C attachment right here, and that's pretty much it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the Osmo Pocket 3, the expansion adapter. All right, let's pull this off. Nice and easy. That. All right, so this is a housing. This is if you want to actually attach it to a strap, a belt, or something. That way, because I'm doing weddings and I'm doing kind of other shoots as well, I want to be able to do behind the scenes. So this is going to help me to be able to have the Osmo Pocket 3 not in my hands. All right, so I'll put that to the side. And here's the attachment that goes onto the strap that you definitely going to need. Is the Osmo backpack strap mount. All right, let's pull this off. Good. All right, so they have a screw mount, and this is it. It has the Velcro. Inside has a nice rubber texture and feels really good. So that's going to help with grip, whatever thing that you're going to be using to attach it to. And then pretty much all you do is when you're ready to attach it, you put it inside like so. And then you're gonna screw this part right here, like that, and you're able to adjust it up and down. There's no left to right movement, as you can see right there. All right, so let's put that to the side. I have the magnet ND filter set. All right, so let's take this off. Let's put it to the side. Let's put it to the side, and this. All right, so it comes out with a nice little case. Looks pretty good. Turns around, as you can see right there. It looks pretty good. All right, and then just flip the slip, and then you'll pick it up. And those look really good, guys. It looks really, really nice. Really nice. And these are the, let me see, this is the 16, the 64, and this is the 256. All right. So those are the filters. And since I'm opening that one, let me take this one out. This is the black mist filter. All right, let me just take this just with the back from here. And here it is. So this is the black mist filter. Just peel it off right there. Just like that. And you can see it right there. All right, so what I'll do is I'll just put it right here for now, since there's no housing for it, but you guys can take a quick look at that and can see what it looks like. All right, and also you're going to definitely need some form of storage. I bought the 256 gigabyte, the Sandisk Extreme Pro UHS 1. All right, and it has a read speed of up to 200 megabits of read, and write 140 megabits per second. All right, I don't think I need to necessarily take that out, but I'll just do it nonetheless. Take it fully out. Okay, and this is it, right there. Hope you guys are able to see that, like so. All right, and then this is if you want to use it in a regular card reader, you have this adapter that allows you to do just that. All you do, there's a little space in the top right here, and all you do is kind of slide it in, and it goes in like that. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I'll put those to the side. For the main event, we're going to open up the Osmo Pocket 3, and this is the creator combo. All right, let's do it. All right, let's just take the tape off. So. Here we go, we're getting there. All right, let's take that nice, satisfying sound. Oh. So let me pull. So this is the pouch. Inside you have a pamphlet. And then we have this little box here. Okay, so I guess this is the housing that you're going to put the actual camera in. And if you look right here, you're going to see, hold on, let me turn my ISO up a little bit. So right here you can see this is where the black mist filter is going to go. And this is where the wide angle lens filter is going to go, right about there. So since we have the black mist right here, I'm simply going to just go like this and put it in right there. You can see right there. All right, let's put it to the side. Now, let's open it up. All right. And here we go, okay. So we have, this is what the microphone, it is similar to the one that I'm actually using now, which was from the first generation. I love this because I love the translucent, you can actually see the elements on the inside, and that this is also 32-bit and USB, so I can actually use this with my phone, etc. All right, so let's put it to the side right there. All right, so this is the extender, and this has the USB attachment to this as well, and a 1/4 inch right here. All right, let me put this down. Okay. So in this, you just have the linear, and this is your dead cat. All right, let's just put this right here for now. And this is your charging cable for the camera, USB-C to USB-C. Let's take this off. It's pretty short. It's not that long. It's pretty short. And as you can see, like I said, the charger, the brick, and then you can use this to charge the camera. Let's put this to the side. All right, so we're getting to the good stuff now. All right, so this is your battery, all right? So this way you get a longer life on, if you're on a shoot or whatever, you can get some more power to charge the camera, and also just to extend the life, the time that you're going to be using it to shoot for, all right? And same thing, similar to this is a shorter version, but this is not a battery. You have the USB-C right here, the 1/4 inch thread down the bottom, all right? Let's just put this right here. And here we have, and this is your the tripod, all right? And pretty much it goes below here, like so. Just like that. All right, put this down. And for the main event, because there's nothing else in the case, I'm gonna rest the case over here. And here we have the Osmo Pocket 3. Some people say OS 3. I've been waiting for this thing for so long. I ordered this a couple months ago and I'm just getting it. So guys, it's on back order right now. I think you guys probably can get it, but if you guys want to get it, link would be in the description below to all these products that you're going to be seeing in this video. but this is a beauty. All right, so here we go. Let's just peel this off nice and easy. Good, just like that. All right, so all I'm gonna do is just let's see if some power is inside the camera. Boom. Very nice. And this is just the setup process. Let me just set that, English. Device name, activate before. All right, let me just put this down. As a matter of fact, let me put it onto the stand. Let me close it back, like so. It's gonna just turn off within 1 second. Boom, okay. So I'm just gonna attach it, just making sure. Yep, okay. Slide it in, just like that. Boom. Let me go get my phone. All right, so right here I have the Mimo app, and this is what you're gonna be using in order to get everything going with the camera. All right, so let me put this down right here. All right, let's take this off. All you do now, you just literally press this little button here, it releases it, and then you can just take it off. All right, so all I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna go ahead, and I think this is supposed to be able to pick up the camera, as you can see right there. Let me just do our screen recording, that way we see everything going. All right, so once I unlock the device, it automatically came up on the screen right here that I need to connect. So I'm just gonna connect, and it is searching. It found it. I'm gonna say accept. Hold on 1 second, English. So what it's saying now is that making sure that you have the same numbers on the app and on the actual camera itself. So I'm gonna say accept. Hold on 1 second. Let's try this again, connect. Because I waited too long. Connect, I'm gonna say accept. And it's now connected. And these are just the, so I'm just gonna click on agree, and there you go. And I'm gonna click on this where it says allow access. It says activate here Osmo. I'm gonna say next. I'm gonna say next. It says activating the device now. Then activate. Successfully activated. And that is how you get your Osmo Pocket 3 connected to the Mimo app. So just click on get started. And edit live with view and Mimo. Okay, you're just telling it exactly what to do. Manage files efficiently, advanced skills with tutorials, and so forth. And just say next. And join. So now I can upgrade the firmware. I'm gonna say next. That's what it's doing. All right, so what it's doing now is it's installing the firmware on the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm just gonna click on it and say install. I want you guys to see everything happening. I'm making this real time so you guys can see how fast it actually does it. And keep in mind that I haven't actually charged the Osmo Pocket 3 yet, so it came with some power in there. All right, update successfully. And pretty much it's done. The Pocket 3 now is restarting, it's calibrating, and it's done. And it says swipe from left edge to center for playback. Okay, so it's just literally telling me what to do. But guys, that has been the, oh, hold on, it's initializing, 1 second. Okay, so it's finally updated now. It's asking me to connect. I'm gonna say join. Allow full access. Good. So right now it's saying that there's no SD card inside the camera. You have the memory card, so making sure the writing is facing the back of the Osmo Pocket 3, like so. And literally just kind of tap it in. You're gonna feel a little click. There you go. So let me see, where you go to settings. Scroll all the way down. And where it says SD, you just click on format and make sure you format the card inside the camera. Don't format it elsewhere. Format it inside the camera and then you're just ready to go. Just wait for it to happen. Good, and then the card is formatted. So we can just close that and you're ready to go. I definitely just wanted you guys to see the unboxing of these products from DJI, and I hope you guys do enjoy, and I'm definitely going to be doing some stuff with this in the coming videos. So look forward to that, guys. And like I said before, if you guys would like to purchase any of these devices before, look in the description below for links to all these and more. All right, guys. And I really appreciate if you guys do make any purchase, because I do get some kickback from it and it does help the channel out. All right, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and guys, stay safe. Peace.